Overly focused, it's far from the time to rest now. Debates growing about who they
I wanna see it go riding down.
What direction is the sun? What part of the sky?